Now shifting focus, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be travelling to Bihar and West Bengal today, and this is to attend several programs which will be focused on enhancing commerce, connectivity and the ease of living in both of these states. In fact, during his visit to Bihar, Prime Minister Modi will be in Gaya to inaugurate and lay foundation stones of several projects worth over 13,000 crore, and these include 4-lane Bhaktiyar to a Mokama section of NH31, the Buxar thermal power plant and also the sewerage treatment plants along with sewerage network. So these are the crucial projects that Prime Minister Modi will be inaugurating today. In fact, he will also inaugurate the Homi Bhabha Cancer Hospital and Research Center at Muzaffarpur, which will of course boost health infrastructure for the people of the state. Now, additionally, viewers, two trains including the Amrit Bharat Express running between Gaya and Delhi and the Buddhist Circuit train running between Vaishali and Kodarma, they will also be flagged during Prime Minister's visit. In fact, further, the Anta-Simaria Bridge project on NH31 will also be inaugurated by the Prime Minister today. This includes 1.86 kilometer long 6-lane bridge over the Ganga River. Now, the construction cost of this has been about 1,870 crore, and it will provide direct connectivity between Mokama in Patna to Begusarai. So, these are the crucial connecting points of this bridge built over Ganga River. In fact, this bridge will reduce the extra travel distance of over 100 kilometers for heavy vehicles specifically. And from Bihar then, Prime Minister Modi will be leaving for the state of West Bengal. Now, this is where he will inaugurate several projects including metro train services on the newly constructed sections in Kolkata. And he will also undertake a metro ride from Jessore Road metro station to Jai Hind Biman Bandar and back. So, this is the metro ride that Prime Minister will be taking in the state of West Bengal today. In fact, he will also be laying the foundation stone and inaugurating multiple developmental projects in West Bengal as well. And these projects are worth over 5,200 crore. They will be inaugurated in Kolkata today, and further he will also be addressing a gathering on the occasion. So clearly a very packed day for the Prime Minister. He's going to be in the state of Bihar. He's also going to be in the state of West Bengal, and clearly a lot is lined up for him in those states. He will be inaugurating a lot of developmental projects in both of these states today. Specifically, these programs will be focused on enhancing commerce, connectivity and the ease of living in both Bihar and West Bengal. Now, let's walk you through the details of what his Bihar visit is going to look like. Now, during this visit, Prime Minister Modi will be in Gaya first of all, and he will be inaugurating and laying foundation stones of projects worth over 13,000 crore. Now, these include the 4-lane Bhaktiyarpur to Mokama section of NH31, the Buxar thermal power plant, the sewerage treatment plants and also sewerage network. So, crucial projects that Prime Minister will be inaugurating today in Bihar. Now, further, Prime Minister will also inaugurate the Homi Bhabha Cancer Hospital and Research Center. This will be at Muzaffarpur. Remember, it will be a big boost to health infrastructure for people across the state. Now, in addition to this, two trains including the Amrit Bharat Express running between Gaya and Delhi and the Buddhist Circuit train running between Vaishali and Kodarma, they will also be flagged during Prime Minister's visit to Bihar today. Further, the Anta-Simaria Bridge project on NH31 will also be inaugurated. Remember, this includes the 1.86 kilometer long 6-lane bridge which has been built over River Ganga at the cost of about 1,870 crore. So, this will also be inaugurated today by Prime Minister. It's a crucial bridge which will provide direct connectivity between Mokama in Patna to Begusarai. In fact, remember, for bigger vehicles specifically, this will reduce the extra travel distance of over 100 kilometers. So, this is what Bihar visit is going to look like for the Prime Minister today.